Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the review, please note that the link to purchase this 10K 8K HDMI cable 2.1 at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This ultra-high-speed HDMI cable is designed for those who demand the best in video and audio performance, supporting resolutions up to 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, making it a future-proof choice for gamers, home theater enthusiasts, and professionals alike. This HDMI 2.1 cable boasts an impressive 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, a significant upgrade from the previous HDMI 2.0 standard's 18 gigabits per second. This leap in transmission speed allows for seamless, high-fidelity signal transfer, supporting advanced features like HDR, VRR, EARC, and 12-bit color processing. Whether you're streaming ultra-high-definition content or gaming on the latest consoles, such as PS5 or Xbox Series X, this cable ensures smooth, tear-free, and vibrant visuals. One standout feature is the extensive range of lengths available, from a compact 1.5 feet to a generous 25 feet, accommodating various setups without compromising signal quality. The cable is constructed with high-quality 30W tinned copper cores and 24K gold-plated connectors, which not only enhance conductivity, but also resist oxidation for long-lasting durability. The braided cotton mesh exterior adds both protection and style, while the anti-bending tail design has passed rigorous durability tests exceeding 25,000 bends. Compatibility is universal, working flawlessly with a wide array of devices including Blu-ray players, streaming devices like Apple TV and Fire TV, gaming consoles, laptops, monitors, and projectors. This versatility makes it an indispensable accessory for both home and office environments. Pros: supports ultra-high resolutions up to 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz with HDR and advanced color processing. High bandwidth of 48 gigabits per second ensures stable, high-speed data transfer. Durable build with braided cord and gold-plated connectors. Wide range of length options to suit different needs. Universal compatibility with many HDMI-enabled devices. Cons: premium features and build quality might come at a higher price point compared to standard HDMI cables. Longer cable lengths, above 16 feet, may require careful management to avoid signal degradation in some setups. Overall, this 10K 8K HDMI cable 2.1 is an excellent investment for anyone looking to future-proof their entertainment or workstations with top-tier video and audio quality. Remember, the link to get this cable at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out and upgrade your connectivity today. Don't forget, the discounted purchase link is pinned in the first comment for your convenience.